So what is there? See here. What is mean by all of you can able to see the book now? I'll take a book. If you have a book, I'll open a book in your WhatsApp. All of you. Able to hear me? Is audible to you?
Sir, what? Sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is
What,
the so always now let's start talking about. So in earlier in class 9 already we have learned about the elements and their structures and their electronic configuration also. Is it clear? Padchuma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now here what is the topic here? Making odd out of chairs. Write the topic of class document. Take a class document of you. Making order out of chairs. Early attempts at the classification of elements. Early attempts at the classification of elements. So what is the word mean by chairs?
Sir, what, sir?
Chairs. What is the title there? Making order out of chairs. Early attempts at the classification of elements. So what is the meaning of that line? What is the meaning of chairs?
In class, I don't write.
Yes, the class work. Put 5.1 topic. Making order out of chairs. Early attempts at the classification of elements.
We have to write the topic, sir.
Yes, you write the topic.
Yes, sir.
So we want to follow some patterns for classifying elements. Already at the day we told that racks depending upon the properties. Depending upon the properties. For example,
So before what you said, it is not clear, sir.
making order out of chairs 5.1. Making order out of chairs. Making order out of chairs. Early attempts at the classification of elements. So in the departmental stores, we have learned that on the day I told what I told in the racks, the materials are arranged in their order according to their properties. So soaps are arranged separately, oils are arranged separately, and again into washing soap, bathing soap, and vessel washing soap separately. Shampoos are arranged separately. Rice is arranged separately. So depending upon the properties, so pulses are arranged separately, are arranged separately. Okay. So depending upon the properties, different stocks are arranged in the different racks in the supermarket or department stores or in the general stores. Even if you go to an electrical store, you can see there switches are arranged there separately, plugs are arranged separate boxes. Okay. Plastic items will be separately, they are arranged separately, and it is easier to pick up. It is easier to pick up. It is clear, no? It is easier to pick up. Okay, so like that, our scientists up to now, you know that there are 118 elements are there in chemistry. So out of 180 elements, 94 are natural made materials, and the remaining are man-made materials.
Sir,
Okay.
18 after what one write?
What's the
Sir,
date?
that 5.1 18 after what one write?
Wait, I'll say. Wait, don't wait, just wait. I'll teach it and I will say. Just wait. So different scientists made the different attempts to arrange the elements depending on their properties. And mainly they took atomic mass. So already we know that what is the atomic mass and atomic number. So atomic number means you know the number of protons inside the nucleus. And first scientist who took place is here in our book is Robinus Trias. Robinus Trias. So already I told that. So Johann Wolfgang Robiner, a German chemist, had arranged the elements with similar properties. So he identified some groups having the 3 elements each. So he called them as a triads. He arranged the elements in the three elements in a near slot. Okay, 3 elements slot. He arranged that like that. So what happened then? He can able to arrange only 3 triads. Up to 20 elements only. He is able to. He got only 3 triads. How many triads he got? Only three triads. Yeah. So remaining elements he can't able to put in his triad. Maybe the reason. So first of all, what he did? What is his work done? Okay. So according to him, it took the atomic masses. So in the triads, if he add the two atomic masses, first and third atomic elements atomic masses, yes.
So your voice
Sir,
is
your
echoing,
voice is
sir.
echoing, sir.
Just
Voice is also breaking, sir.
breaking. Okay. Can we read this clear part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is clear, sir.
Sir,
Okay. The year
Still not
17. Keep it visible. Just 2 minutes later. Visible now? Not visible
yes,
now.
sir.
Visible only bar.
Yes,
It will
sir.
take two. It will take 2 minutes to. Yes. So he identified some groups having 3 elements each. So he called this group triads. Showed that the 3 elements in a triad were written in the order of increasing atomic masses. The atomic mass of the middle element was roughly the average of the atomic mass of the 2 elements. So he divided the elements into triads. 3 elements. He took 3 elements in the increasing order of the atomic masses. In the increasing order, that is, see here, what is increasing? Increasing means what? How? See, in the first set, here take nitrogen 14, phosphorus 31, and arsenic 24. And second set, calcium 40, strontium 87.6, and barium 137.3. On third set, you took chlorine 35.5, bromine 79.9, and iodine 126.9, nearly 127. So when he got the triads, he added the atomic mass of the first and the third element. Suppose he take the calcium and barium is there. If we add that and divide by 2, they get approximately 87.6 equal. And in third group C elements also, when you add chlorine and iodine, atomic mass of the chlorine and iodine, we get atomic mass of bromine. Yeah. So first one is not applicable. See here, 74.9 plus 14, here you get 88, and when you divide it by 2, we'll get 44. We get 44. So it is not yet rare. It is not yet rare. Yeah.
The same screen.
Screen will be silma.
Somewhat breaking.
My voice is breaking. Okay. Because of your low network. Phone that one. Thank you. So for example, take a diet consisting of lithium, sodium and potassium. Lithium, sodium and the potassium are in the other column. But if we take lithium, okay, so what is the atomic number of lithium? You know, sodium and put it respectively mass 6.9, 23 and 39. So when you add this lithium and potassium atomic masses, what is the atomic mass? Nearly 39 plus 7, nearly 46. Nearly 46. When you divide this 46 divided by 2, we get, what the answer will be at 23. 23. So according to his finding outs, he got that 23. Okay. So some groups see out of these 3 groups only he got it. The first group also. So in the case of nitrogen, phosphorus, and arsenic also, it is not a because they add the first and the third atomic mass of the third element. The atomic mass of the center one is not nearing it because it is 44 and 31 is it is the longest difference. So it is not a triad. So his triad is not able to give all the elements. So Dobiner is failed. He can't be able to give the triads for all the elements known at the time. So his system of classification triads was not found to be useful. So his Dobiner's classification is also fine. So regarding history of the Dobiner, he was Dobiner studied Jürgen Wolfgang Dobiner studied as a pharmacist in Munzburg in Germany, and then studied chemistry at Strasbourg. Eventually, he became a professor of chemistry and pharmacy at the University of Jena. So Dobiner made the first observations on platinum as a catalyst. So on that day, I told what is the catalyst. Catalyst is substances which take place in the reaction, but does not involve in the reactions. It will speed up the reactions. So meaning of the catalyst is like that only. So catalyst will take place in the reaction, but will not involve in the reaction. It will speed up the reactions. And using the platinum, and he discussed similar triads of elements which lead to the development of the periodic table of elements. So, but he laid the way. He laid some discoveries which is helpful for the next upcoming scientist. His work is useful for them. So he gave some ideas. From his work, next scientist got some ideas. Thank you. So next came Newland of Factories. You know that already the day before yesterday I told that his classification is based on the musical notes. Okay. So you know in Tamil, Ragam, Sari, Gama, Padanisa. So every first element and the 8th element there is a resemblance in the properties. Okay. He also arranged the elements in the order of increasing atomic masses. While arranging like that, he found that every 8th element resembles the first element. So don't confuse with the modern periodic table here. So what the number of elements discovered at the time during his period, in that he arranged the elements in order of the increasing atomic masses. Yeah. So he started with the elements with lowest atomic masses and entered the thorium, which was the 56th element. So during his period, only 56 elements are there. So he arranged the 56 elements in their increasing atomic masses. Yeah. So after arranging this increasing atomic masses, he compared his arrangement into their octaves found in music. Octaves means 8. Sari, gamma, padani, sa. So he compared this into the octaves found in the music. Therefore, it is called as the law of octaves. So octaves means 8. So you know octagon. You know octagon means 8. So octaves means 8. It refers to the musical notes. So because of the scientist's name, it got as the new lands of octaves or new land law of octaves. So in his table, in his arrangement, the properties of lithium and sodium are found to be same. Sodium is the 8th element after lithium. Similarly, beryllium and magnesium is similar to each other. So some of the elements are given in the table. So here, so every hydrogen and fluorine is the 8th element. Like that, there is a first element as much as the 8th element. He put in this same slot. He put in the same slot. Yeah, but if I see the tables there, able to see the table?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So yes. So see there, cobalt and nickel is in first slot. So iron is in the last slot. Iron is in the last slot. Okay. So if you find that cobalt and nickel having different properties and comparing to the hydrogen, fluorine, and bromine. Yeah. So it was wrongly placed there. Next, so iron and cobalt. Iron has some leading properties in the cobalt and nickel. And having the some properties related to the cobalt and nickel. But these elements are placed at different places and they are placed in the long distances. So first slot is 7th slot. So it is the long distance. So it is also not applicable. It is also not applicable. It is also not applicable. Okay. So in the Indian system of music, there are 7 musical notes in a scale. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. But in Western notes, it is do, re, mi, fa, sa, lo, ti. Next it come again do, like that. Okay. So according to our musical note also you can take like that. According to Western music also you can take the notations like that. Okay. And you can understand that the musician uses these notes for composing the musical based song. Naturally, there must be some repetitions of notes. Every 8th note is similar to that of the first one, and it is the first note of the next scale. Okay. So it was found that new land of octaves was applicable only up to calcium. The calcium is the 20 comes under the 20th element of the periodic table. So here doing his found he discovered elements are 20. So up to 20 elements only. So doing total number of elements are 56. But his musical note is applicable only up to calcium. As after calcium, 8th element did not possess the property similar to the first one. So after calcium only his work is applicable. And he also assumed that only 56 elements exist in nature and no more elements would be discovered in the future. But later on, nearly half of the elements were discovered. 118, above 56 was discovered laterally. So his assumption was wrong at the time. Okay. So in order to fit his elements in the table. So during his period, what are the elements was discovered at the time? He tried to put in a table. He want to fit the elements in the table. So he tried to adjust the 2 elements in a slot. So in order to fit that elements, he put some unlike elements under the same node. Yeah, that's as earlier I told that cobalt and nickel are in same slot on the surface in the same column as fluorine. Fluorine and bromine is have very different properties than these elements. Iron, which has these some resemblance with the cobalt and nickel, has been placed far away from these elements. So after the discovery of the noble gases, the law of Lap phase became irrelevant. So his discovery also got failed. Yeah, his law is only applicable up to or applicable only for lighter elements.
Yes, sir.
It is not applied for heavy elements. Okay, you understand this? So earlier I asked the question, what is mean with charge? What do you mean with charge? What do you mean with charge?
Sir,
I'll try to know charge
confusion.
means confusion. Charge means confusion. Okay. So confusion means what? Under the confusion, after the confusion, there is a there will be some solution. Solution. So like that only, making God out of charge, area attempts at the classification of elements. So there are before earlier there are a lot of confusions are there how to arrange the elements. So after confusion, several scientists made attempts to arrange the elements in an order. So first we have seen that Dominus and the new end of arc phase. Dominus arrange the triads and the new end of arc phase depend upon the musical notes. Okay, you understand this?
Yes, sir.